to my channel. This is Laura. For today's recipe, what I'm going to share with y'all is how I make a holiday cheese ball. Now the cheese ball can go on a charcuterie board with some fruit, some grapes, some sliced apples, just about anything. You can just serve the cheese ball with some crackers and that would be a fantastic idea. Makes a great presentation for your holiday table or for your snack table, for your coffee tables, for guests to munch on. I know the holiday's not going to be with a bunch of guests. I did cut down the recipe to make it smaller, more economical size, and you can easily double up this recipe if you need to for your family. I hope you enjoy the video today, guys. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. And most importantly, hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Okay, guys, let's get started. Okay, here we go. The first thing that we are going to do is add our cheeses. Now the cheese, the cream cheese, I would recommend that it be at room temperature just because it's easier to mix by hand. Normally I do this in my stand mixer, but it's so easy. I wanted to show you how easy it is just to get it done by hand. Okay, here we have our cream cheese, and you can use a spatula or a spoon, whatever's easier for you to break up the cheese and mix everything up. Okay, we're gonna add in our cheddar cheese. Now on the cheeses, if you don't like a particular one, you can switch it. It's not a big deal. Get the flavors that you and your family like, that your family enjoys. And you know what? I'm going to use the spoon. Okay, so you're just going to mix this up real well. Let's get our sour cream. That helps mix it up as well. Just mix it up real well where everything is combined. Okay, now let's add the rest of our ingredients. I have some diced onion. If you don't like the onion, just leave it out. I have some pimentos. If you don't like pimento, substitute it with some relish, some pickle relish. That goes real nice. We're going to add in some fresh parsley. Now dry parsley works, but to me it tastes so much better with the fresh parsley. We're going to add a little bit of salt and some freshly ground pepper. If you want to make this a little bit spicy, you can cut up some chile serranos or some chile jalapenos, dice them up real small. That would go real nice in here. And some finely chopped pecans. Now we're going to get this mixed up. Back to the spatula. Once everything is broken up, it's easier to mix. Look at those colors. Okay, this is ready. See how simple that was? Nothing to it. Okay, what we're going to do now is I have some saran wrap. We're going to take our cheese and just plop it on there. We're going to wrap it. Try to shape it into a ball so it's easier to handle later. Okay, we're going to put it just like this in the refrigerator, and I'm going to put it in there for about an hour and a half, 2 hours if you need to, and I'll be back. Okay guys, the cheese ball is out of the refrigerator. It's been cooling for a while or firming up. You don't want it too firm either because we're still gonna roll them in some pecans. I like to wear gloves for this because of course you're touching the food that you're gonna share with people, especially now in the times that we're in. Here what I have is some chopped pecans. They're not really small, not too large. If there's some big pieces, just break them up with your hands. So we take our cheese ball, shape it however you want it, and we're going to roll it into the pecans. And there you go. And then just press them in. Put as much as you want to, you know, if you don't want to put too much. You can do almonds, you can do chopped walnuts, whatever your preference. I just personally love pecans. So that's what I always add. Okay, and I think that's good right there. Look at that, how pretty that is. Now to serve this or present this, I like to get a little cutting board and I put some crackers, some grapes, and I just put a leaf of lettuce and then just press it out into the shape you want. And there you go. Put some more grapes right here in the middle. Look at that. Look at how pretty that looks. I also have some olives up here, some spicy olives with some pickled jalapenos and some carrots. I put these little sticks in here, some little forks. I got those at the Dollar Tree. They're very inexpensive. And that's it. Look at how pretty that is. Let me bring you in for a close-up. Look at that. And very simple, not too many products, very inexpensive. If you were keeping up with that, it wasn't too bad. I will leave all the items listed below. And of course, you can change up the crackers. You can put other vegetables with the side dip over here if you like, if you prefer, with some slices of apple or other pear. I think that would be great. Okay, everybody, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna give this a try. I even hate to break it up, but we're gonna give it a try with one of these Ritz crackers. Really, really nice. You can pick up the flavor of the different cheeses. And the crunch of the pecans is really, really good. I know you're going to like this one, guys. I hope you give it a try. That's going to conclude the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making it for you. And I will leave the recipe and everything down in the description box. Go and take a look there. And I will see you later. Bye.